Alright, we unload it with a Saturn. I'm only gonna do two. I'm gonna do one on this side and I'm gonna do one on the other side. So let's get out of here. What's going on, guys? SOB Productions, and today, okay, we're just gonna do a quick one. So as you can see, it is really filthy. This side isn't as bad, but as you can see, it is filthy. So I'm gonna clean it up. I'll be back. Here she go. We got it all washed up here. Wheels are bad, but other than that, it did clean up. Not terrible. The most surprising thing is that this car is a 95 and this car only has where is it? That's how many miles she has, 128,000. So super surprising. Heat works and all that. Needs a little bit of clean up, a little bit of but that's about it. Here's the engine. Now she probably gonna need gaskets soon. Probably gonna need gaskets soon, but it needs a tune-up. Needs new wires, new plugs, and she also needs a muffler. As you can see, she has a hole in it, but that's nothing. That's something that I can do easy. I might take this window tint off, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. I might do it. You know, it will peel off really easy, so I might do that. And yeah. Be a great little transporter. Ooh. It's the front. If this car was a little bit more valuable, what you would do here is you will sand this down, and you will sand this down, you will repaint it, repaint it, and then you will clear coat, and then you just, you know, water sand it down, buff it out, and then you blend it. But again, I wouldn't do it for something like this, just because it's, you know, it will give you maybe a couple $100, but that's about it. Old twin cam, clean trunk, key. I still have to take this cardboard and stuff out of here. We can do that now, but clean. Just vacuum this out and really clean. For a 95, very surprising. Has the little electric fuel door. It still works. Hit the button, it opens up. Not bad for a 95. Really cool. But yeah, there you go. Anyway, this is SOB Productions. If you want to see more stuff like this, stay tuned, subscribe. Peace out.